Traveling with your gun? Here's 5 states you might want to avoid. Ooh, we're gonna get calls. But before we get into the video, we have a gun giveaway going on right now. You can enter for free and it ends really soon. So click the link in the description down below to reveal which brand new gun you could win. Okay, here's a list of states you might want to avoid. First one is California. We'll start right at the top. There are a whole host of restrictions in California. 10-round magazines, the California compliant mandates. This is a May issue state with a patchwork of counties issuing permits. All private sales must have a background check, and you must register your guns when you're in California, so you might want to avoid it. New York, not just New York City, but the entire state. The SAFE Act just sucks. It requires background checks through a licensed dealer on all private transfers. You will even have trouble transferring guns if a family member dies and wills them to you. It's a May issue state, which means basically only the wealthy get gun permits in New York. Severe restrictions on how you must register your guns and what permits you must get to buy guns. It's not good all around. And you can end up in New York in serious trouble if you carry your guns in from another state. Maryland is also a May issue state, and it has an assault weapons ban that goes as far as to list guns by name. Don't try to get a permit in Maryland unless you're very rich and famous. It's just not the place to go to get guns. New Jersey not only requires permits to own guns, but they require a permit to buy handgun ammo and a special ID to buy rifle and shotgun ammo. There are ammo capacity limits on handguns, rifles, and semi-automatic shotguns, and the permitting process is apparently designed to crush your spirit and make sure you stop asking the government for permission to defend yourself. And one more thing. There are reports that New Jersey police agencies focus their highway traffic stops on those with out-of-state license plates from gun-friendly states, apparently in hopes of getting the chance to search the vehicle for guns. So don't even drive through New Jersey. Finally, Hawaii. This is a May issue state. They can issue permits, but apparently almost never have. If you have a permit to carry a handgun in Hawaii, please comment down below on this video. I'd like to know how you got it. You see, you need a permit to carry a handgun, but not to carry a rifle. But wait, you need a permit to purchase rifles or handguns, and they don't issue many of those either. All guns must be registered and background checks are required for private gun sales. But you must have a permit to complete any of those transactions, and permits are very rarely issued. So they could be issued, but they're not. And there's a bonus. Let's throw in one more state, Illinois, where you must have a firearms owner's identification card to be able to buy a gun or ammunition. And you need a FOID card to even carry an unloaded gun inside a case in Illinois. Then, if you want to carry a gun for self-defense, you must complete a 16-hour class, submit your paperwork, which according to reports often gets lost, and wait for the state to approve it. The wait is often measured in months. And to top it off, Illinois does not honor any other state's concealed carry permits. There's no reciprocity. So those are 6 states you might want to avoid when traveling with your firearm. You're pulled over by the police and you're carrying concealed. Do you need to do anything special in this scenario? Like tell the officer you have a gun. Click this video right next to me and I'll break down that scenario step by step on what you should do.